Hi and welcome to the Ricky's Drawer channel. I'm Ricky and today we are gonna talk about some special rulers that you can use here on the Clipstudio Paint. So for this I'm gonna create a new document, and we are also, if we got time, we are gonna ink with the mouse, because I promised it in the last video that we're gonna show it something in the next one. This is the next one. I hope everything goes okay. There are basically two ways to set up your ruler. The first one is going here and click on the ruler icon. As you can see, there are many different rulers that you can use. To make your simple drawing, you're gonna use the symmetrical, but for now we're gonna try the perspective. So the first thing we're gonna do is establish the horizon, and I'm holding the shift key because if I don't hold it, you can have more freedom to choose how it's gonna be the angle. I don't want to angle, so I'm gonna hold the shift button and I'm gonna release. So now I'm gonna establish a vanishing point here in the middle. It's gonna be a 1-point perspective with a vanishing point here. Notice that our layer has changed. We got now a perspective ruler, so our layer didn't change. We got now a new perspective ruler. And to make sure that all your lines gonna convert to the vanishing point, you need to have this snap to the special ruler highlighted. If it's like this and you go to the normal layer, you see that you have freedom to draw. But once you hit this key, all your lines is gonna convert to the vanishing point, or your directional lines. Diagonal lines, not directional, diagonal lines. Since it's a 1-point perspective, your vertical and horizontal lines, they are gonna stick really with the horizon. So now I'm gonna draw some lines here and we'll talk later. Alright, so this is a nice opportunity to show the vector eraser in action. As you can see, we can delete with less effort. What you need to do sometimes is to close some gaps before erasing, and the size of the eraser will impact on the amount of drawing that will be removed. So if you have a very small one, you can take away details like this. But if your eraser is a little bigger, you will take everything. So it's nice to start with something a little bigger, then you rescale. Sometimes you need to erase more than one time in the same spot, but as you can see, it helps to get all these lines away. This isn't a perspective video, but basically everything that is above the horizon line, we are gonna see the bottom part. Forgot the words, so we can fill all the bottom parts. Let's just close these gaps to make it easier. Everything that is below the horizon line, we're gonna see the roof. And I'm making all the fill in a normal layer. Usually I take more time to draw, but since we are doing a video and it's to demonstrate how it works, I'm trying to get a little more quicker. And so I'm getting a little more reckless as well with these lines. Here it is. You can also add something really nice here to show this. Actually, we didn't need to add this, but it's fine, it's all right, it's nice to see it. And another way to put a ruler on your canvas, I'm gonna delete everything and you can go to Layer, Ruler, Create Perspective Ruler, so you won't need to set up the horizon and then put the points on different allocations. You can choose here, for example, a 2-point perspective, and it is gonna already give you a grid, and you can move these handlers to have a more clear vision of the drawing. And you make a new layer and you can start making the drawing. As you can see, it's really quick to make it. Okay, so these are the rulers, and these are how you can use them for your own benefit. The other ruler that we're gonna talk about is the symmetry ruler. Where is it? Here, it's the symmetrical. I'm gonna create it here. To create it, you click and drag, and I'm gonna hold Shift. But first we're gonna create a new layer. Now we got the symmetry here. And here on the symmetry layer, we can do our simple drawing. In my case, I'm gonna do something really quick here. Let's see how it goes. I don't know if I'm gonna put a time lapse on this part, just so you can see the real time and how we're gonna do it. Maybe I should have taken a reference first, but I think it's okay. Put some ground here. And now the ears, maybe the hardest part. And now I'm gonna disable the special ruler, the snap, and I'm gonna draw its hair. And we can also delete it to make a highlight. If you erase in the symmetrical layer, notice that you have only one side deleted. To make sure that you delete on both sides, you can go to this transparency color. Here you got the foreground, the background, and the transparency. See? Now we can delete on both sides. And if you want to fill again, you take the main color and you go something like this. And you see that using the symmetrical ruler, it goes way faster than doing a whole drawing from the start. And this is gonna be the drawing that we are gonna ink, and it's gonna be on the next episode because this video is already way bigger. So if you like the video, you can click on the like. If you have any advice or suggestion or ideas for making videos, you can leave in the description. Thank you for watching. In the next episode, we're gonna do the inking with a vector line. It's gonna be awesome, and you can use it as well for your own drawings that you have scanned or you have made it here on the ClipStudio Paint or in any other software, because you can import the drawing here. Okay, so until the next time, take care.